If you go talk to people who operate metro networks, a word you hear all the time is transformation. They're thinking about the transformation of their metro networks. Why is that? It's because of cloud. Of course they're seeing increased bandwidth demands. We've seen that for a long time. But now because of cloud, they're also seeing a desire to be more programmable, more responsive to what's happening in the data center. And those two things together, the need for new capacity and also new programmability, really leads to the desire for a new platform. And that's where the 8700 Packetwave Platform comes in. We've taken the best ideas from the data center in terms of the scale and the cost points and the power efficiency that you can get from merchant switching silicon today. We've taken SDN programmability out of the data center, and we've married that with the best ideas from the metro wide area network. So first of all, coherent and really smart photonics that come from WaveLogic, as well as the rich OAM that we've become known for with our 500,000 packet devices that are out there in the world today. So a key word around the 8700 is simplicity. As an example, to build an 8700 system, you only need to worry about 4 different types of blades. And that simplicity we think is very special and is indicative of a new class of platform that's really built to be super efficient when it comes to Ethernet in the metro. Efficiency in terms of space, we think it has about twice the density of other systems that do pieces of this. We think it has about half the power consumption of other systems and really improve the economics of building metro networks. Ethernet services are the way that you're consuming bandwidth today. Your connectivity services are largely Ethernet services. It's the fastest growing connectivity service in the market. We saw 1 gigabit, we saw 10 gigabit Ethernet interfaces growing very rapidly today. And you want to make sure that whatever infrastructure is serving you, whether it's provided by a service provider and you're buying it on a monthly basis, or whether you're building your own infrastructure, you want to make sure that you've got an infrastructure that's capable of those higher speeds, 10 gigabit Ethernet, 100 gigabit Ethernet, but not just in a static way, something that can be more programmable so that you can take advantage of cloud services, so that you can move capacity and move performance characteristics around on demand. That's what you're going to want. We've seen a huge uptick in 10 gigabit Ethernet, and we're starting to see 100 gigabit Ethernet in the metro. And if your network requirements, instead of being multi-service, are all about how do I get all of that Ethernet onto an optical platform with great efficiency and in a programmable way to take advantage of the SDN trend we're seeing today, then the 8700 is your platform. We call it a Packetwave system because we think of it as an entirely new category product that's really built for Ethernet on top of optics, made very simple, made very scalable, and made programmable. 8700 Packetwave Platform is going to be the best in the planet at providing large capacity Ethernet onto an optical infrastructure. And the SDN programmability that's built into the 8700 allows you to put forth an infrastructure that is going to meet the needs of delivering bulk bandwidth today, but it's going to give you the flexibility to program the capabilities that you can't anticipate today, but you're going to want for tomorrow.